Hey, welcome back everybody. Sign here again with another episode of Enigmatica 2 Expert Mode. And I got one alternator set up, got the other one all queued up with Schematica here. Go printer on. And we are done. Go ahead and unload that. Grab our... It always takes a second after I get that done. There we go. 1 and 2. And everything's lined up just like it should be. Now I just have to get these suckers some steam. Also, I managed to quiet down the turbines. You can still kind of hear them, but not as bad. And secret of that one is I had to use a different mod to do it, but dynamic surroundings. But you can go through and configure each individual sound. So you just have to scroll through all the sounds in the game, which there are a ton. And mechanism.generator, I think is what it was. What was this? Let me see, where was it at? There it is. Mechanism tile.gen.wind. And I turned it down to 14%. And now it's tolerable. Because before, with 7 of these things going, it was not tolerable. And I did hook up a wireless over here now, so that way I don't have to go downstairs to, fetch things out and whatnot. Like this guy, it ran out of fuel again. And it did that. Alright, cool. Good job. Alright, that away. And our power is actually excellent right now, so I'm just going to turn him off. I don't need to produce cyanite just to produce cyanite right now, so. But one thing I love, and I don't know how I did it, they're reversed. I just realized that they're assembled machines, so they're perfectly fine, but they're mirrored. For the most part, you can't tell until you get to this end, and then this side's got the redstone control on it, and here's the inlet. Redstone control and inlet on the far side. So, I don't know. This one, I remember now. This one I built with a projector. This one, I schematiced. Well, go figure, right? So now I need to get some heat production going. And I was thinking over here at first, but yeah, probably not. Do I have a power cell in here? I do. So I need 4 infused diamonds. Actually, I might be able to do that. No, actually I can't. Okay. So I need 4 recipes of this. There we go. Well, I need some extras. Oh no. Whatever shall I do? How about just enjoy my extra dimensional shards? Because that being a crafting recipe is freaking awesome. I love that. All right, now let's put that in the middle. And it maintains its energy and information, all that fun stuff. Go away now. Is this? Make sure it's centered, lined up. That's gonna be like so, right? And now it's slowly filling up with power. Don't really have a whole lot going for it right now. That's gonna be input though. Actually, you know what? Just make all sides in. And then say at iconic. I'm gonna need another one of these guys, so here we go. Got my binder. I should be able to go you, and we'll just put. You should be able to. I think you can hold 2 bindings each. Yeah. To there and to there. Right. Sweet. So when this thing kicks into life, then we're golden. Oh, I still have sound mufflers up there. Which the sound mufflers were not working on... Well, not mufflers, they are soundproofing from Cyclic. Yeah, they weren't doing jack for the windmills. But they're cheap, so I'm not too worried about it. There we go. All of them. Now I can hear myself do stuff again. Instead of just background music and the turbines. So what I'm going to do in here is... carefully, because I am, like, instantaneously breaking everything here. Shunt out a room here. Oh, let's make it 5 wide. And... yeah. Things have happened, so I'll just... that's what, a 5x5x5 room there? With access to refined storage cable. Okay, we're doing good. Let's get a couple... well, let's just get a torch in here, I think. I can go away. I got a prosperity shard from digging that stuff up, so... oh, me. There we go. Just make sure nothing spawns in here. Yeah. And... tell you what. We're going to... go there. And there. Do I have it? Yeah, I do. Clean up the mess and make a 3x3, I guess, in there. And oops, there we go. Not like I'm going to see it anyway, so I'm okay with putting cobble in there. So one of the first things I want to do, though, is... let's go ahead and get that turned off, I guess. It doesn't work if it's not on your hotbar or a bubble slot, but it will slowly, like, drain power out, so... let's put that away and those in there. Now, at generators, right? Oh, that's mechanism generators. Forgot about that. We are going to grab a heat exchanger, controller, fluid intake valve, right? This is what I made for a proof of concept of all this stuff. We're going to put our controller, say, there, right? Now to run, it needs at least one of these. And now it's like, well, I'm a valid multi-block. As is, it, you know, water in, and hot liquid here, lava usually. That's what I'm going to use anyway. This is the outlet for whenever your liquid cools off. And then this is where the steam comes out. Pretty easy, right? Fluid intake valve. I'm probably going to have here. This is going to be a multi-block. Rather sizable one, too. So, go ahead and down to our assembler. Not the monitor, the assembler. Thank you. And we're going to go... oh, I'm at generators right now. So, one of these... that's not going to work, actually. Basic coils are good. I've got that recipe already taught. I need to teach this recipe. That's how you make all these damn things. And I'm not doing any emitters. I'm doing a fluid output, though. And heating chamber. No, it's syngas heating chamber. Heat exchanger. And this is going to really, like, lay into my iron. I have 144 blocks of iron right now. But yeah, it's just fuel tank, huh? So fluid intake valve, I'm going to go ahead and teach you as well. Fluid output I taught, item input, item output. We exchange, okay. I think this thing will actually spit out blocks of obsidian. So it's kind of a win for everything. And I'm going to want one of these on me. So, go ahead and hop on back up here. And you can see the frame rates take a hell of a dip whenever you bring up all the travel anchors. All right, so at generator, right? I'm gonna want. Oh, I got a couple soul generators in here. Huh? Cool. Item output. Okay, it did its thing, and it did it again. There it goes. Having a few issues with this, but oh hey, look, done. Fluid output. Let's go ahead and make 2 of these, like 1 for each side, I think. If it'll let me. Oh, come on now. It can, do that instead? No. There it goes. Fluid input. 2 outputs. It's just every once in a while, refined storage just goes, excuse me? So our item output is going to be, well, okay, let's put a fluid intake here. And where's my dinknall? There we go. Say there and there. So I can put those like so, right? One thing I like about these advanced generators is they're a freeform multi-block. And then an item output, let's just gonna set that right here, right? Because that will work. That should work. All right, so conduit. Let's grab a few of these. Then crafting. Let me get another one. If I can. Oh, come on. There it goes. Yeah, it's an unknown interaction with refined storage causing that. There we go. And I didn't need a crafting card on that one, did I? You are just going to be kind of importing, really, when you get down to it. So I don't think I'm going to need to worry about extract speed on those, but give me a basic filter, right? And we'll just go ahead and clear that out. And you are importing filter. There. With, let's go with an empty blacklist. So anything that this thing produces item-wise can go in there. Now here comes the fun part. Heat, right? Heat exchangers. These guys, can I make 10? Eventually. I am missing impregnated sticks and a nori crystal. I can do that easy. I'm missing 88 impregnated sticks to make all these damn coils, though. Alright, let me... I got 1200 iron. Okay, I should be okay for a little bit. Back to my factory. I still have not moved up this thing, because I'm not sure how I'm going to fit it in with what I got going on. As soon as I hit the button, that zombie in the background fell over. That's hilarious. Alright, let's go home. Get off that travel anchor so it quits. There it goes. Squeezer is empty. Carpenter, it's kind of empty as well, so tell you what, grab 2 stacks of fertilizer, put in here. Like that, and take some bone meal. And then these guys can actually just go right into there. I'm going to keep that on me for now, I guess. Should be 54 bone meal. And this ingot cast's been hauling around for like 4 episodes now. I need seed oil, which I believe I left my walnut tree intact over here. And, you know, peanuts are probably better for seed oil, because I can grow them in a farm with everything else, which probably would be a good idea. But walnuts do, I think, produce more, so. We're going to toss 41 walnuts into there. And let's grab some fluid conduit. Just really, I only need 2. You're going to be extract always active. You'll be inserting it into here. Very good. Now, it said I needed to make like 88 of these things, so. And I'm out of walnuts now. So there's 52 of them so far. This should create 128 total. If I have enough seed oil. Probably not at this rate. But I will make more than enough of this recipe, so. There we go. I made 122, needed 88. So, heat exchanger times 10. Start. I'm going to have to, let's go ahead and, okay, that was weird. Jesus. That's what's going on. And I have added a second section to the top of this. All the rods, all the aluminum wire. God, it's fun to watch. I like it. Excuse me. And then up here so far, I have a magnet on that I forgot about. So it's going to think the crafting job's not done yet, isn't it? There we go. So far, I just have my pressurizer and my energetic infuser. The infuser's really only got 2 recipes. Flex Electrum, or Flex Spider Grow Electrum. Be nice. And charged Surge Quartz Crystals. I don't know if I need charged. Well, if I need Fluix, I'm going to need that, so. And then I got 9 different plates going into this pressurizer so far. If I come across more that I'm going to need, I'm going to have to hook them up. But it works, so, I mean, got that going for it. Everything feeds into these conveyor belts. Come around here to the end. Got a drop-in conveyor belt. Drops it right here, and flows into the same interface. So, figured, why not? I'm not sure about having this plank in the middle. Might do something else, but realistically, it looks good. I've got my vacuum tubes down here. And then up here, I have the circuit boards. And I need to do something about the conduiting, but I need to basically camouflage it. But crafter here, it's got the 2 recipes in it. Throws it into here. It's filtered so that each only gets its own items. Goes into there. And, you know, hey, really, Bob's your uncle at that point. And then this one's also got a dropping conveyor right here that drops it right onto that sloped piece right there. And then feeds it into the network. And I missed a couple of these. So there we go. Now, this thing, at 11, it's slow. But it's going to play a part soon. Let's head on up to here. And we're going to grab our heat exchangers. And I wonder if 10 or 11 total is going to be enough here. All right, now let's go for pipe. I'm going to need a few more, so come on. Thank you. Oh, look at that. It doesn't visually connect, but it does connect because these arrows light up here. We should be okay. Yep, there we go. That one says green side. But this is the part we're going to see, so as long as this connects, we're good. So now I just need to get lava into this thing, pretty much. Which, let's go ahead and grab ourselves a conduit. Say one of these. And we're going to grab ourselves a cardboard box. Got a few of these. Block data? No. This. I can work that. Okay. And then the exporter. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna have to do an exporter, not the ME export bus. There we go. Refined storage exporter. Go. Done. Make an actual crafting card. And now you glitch on me. There it goes. We're just damn thing. And it's not the fact I've got reborn storage going into this as well. It just, yeah. Refined storage is very much like a work in progress. So. And let's go here. I'm going to cardboard box up this mechanical squeezer here. There we go. And try not to sneeze here. All right, so now if I put this here, shift right click it, pops off. And I think it's just, yeah, looks the same on all sides. I don't think it's got a dedicated front or back. There we go. And since it's an actual cable, I can put that guy back up. I'd use the these don't sit on conduits for whatever reason. The refined storage conduits. So that's why that's the thing. Now you're going to export that. Right? Gonna go in here. It's gonna make lava. And north side, you're going to be extract always active. South side, you're just going to be insert, right? So this should be filling up with lava. It is. It holds 16 buckets. So very good. It's going to be using 1.7 millibuckets per tick, it says. Generating 1,000 heat. Now the other thing I want to do is I want to put this crafting card into here. And so what that'll do is if it runs out of blaze powder, which it's going to eventually, it's a bit of a given, it will it'll automatically run it through my other squeezer into that. Now the last thing I need is a source of water. So I'm thinking sink, right? I just need a actual honest to God bucket of water, huh? Reserve. Your IC2 coolant, your like tree fluid. Yeah, I don't I do have some preserved curiosities to probably do something with. Didn't realize I had those in there. Now, there's no actual water up here, so I just need a bucket, and I'll be okay. Oh, and then back up we go. Oh, there's a pond right there. And I think I was doing it with my handheld, right? Yep. Sink, that goes away. And one more pressurized fluid conduit. Now, you're my fluid intake, right? Didn't I put like another one behind you? Yeah, I did. Main reason is I'm not 100% certain that these can share. So, and I don't have to turn this one to insert, but you know, it does. I just do. All right, and now we're producing steam. It's full of water, full of lava, producing obsidian slowly. Well, actually, not that slowly. And then these things are running. Which right now they probably shouldn't be, actually. So, wrong thing. Need to be in here. Redstone conduit. And do I have some sort of like wireless redstone system? Password-based wireless redstone. Okay. Really? Used up all my freaking redstone torches again? I can never keep redstone torches in my system. Like, everything needs the damn things. Do I have any repeaters? No, I don't. And let's get... Really now? You gonna be like this? That is a valid redstone connection. Thank you. Right now I'm wasting steam, but not really because I'm generating obsidian, so... So that's the receiver. With any luck, I should be able to just do that. Save coordinates. Let's go down to the assembler room here. For now, we're just going to smack that thing right there. And get a lever. Oh. You're going to output green. No input. No, wait a second. You're the input, green, no output. There we go. I don't know why it does that. Now if I need power, I just flip that lever and everything starts filling up again. Which, let's see. Can I make a power cell? There's something I want to try. And hopefully this will be the last power cell I make. Link it. And let's go. Astral Britannia. Where's? Okay. Can you stop, please? Thank you. Hello to you, too. I'm gonna get my ration of Wither Skeleton Skull out of that. Now, supposedly, universal cables will work with matter paps. Well, not just the universe, or not just matter paps, but there we go. So, can I make any universal cables? And output, power. Yep, it's working. Universal cables do work. They can turn RF into EU. Good to know. I'm gonna have to redo my mass fab setup here. One thing I can do now is just put this here, tell it all sides are out, right? That there. But it doesn't hook up to those. Gonna drop the, yeah, it did. Gonna suck for a second here. Ow. Get in there. Right, so then I can that there. And sucks. I need more sides. There we go. And now I just need to hook this biogenerator up now. Might have enough glass cables to pull this off. Yeah, I do. Or not. Trying to keep things from hooking up together. Oh my god, really? Doesn't quite work though, does it? It's gonna suck again. No, that's bad spot for it. put it like, say, here. Out. Out. Sucks. There we go. And then there. There, that'll work. That's ugly as hell, but it... Welcome to IC2 wires without a paint roller, right? So, we're filling up power still. And... oh, hey, I got 6 millibuckets of UV matter in there. Cool. What I'm going to do is put this here and go ahead and power it. And then lament the fact that I don't seem to have any more glass fiber cable. Let's just put some of this stuff away. I'll keep that on me for now. Cable, glass fiber, done. I need energium dust. Not sure how much I'm going to need glass cables anymore, but there. You're going to fill your buffer up. A little buffer you do have. And now I just need a fast cobble gen. Speaking of cobble gen. Ooh. Oh yeah, 31. I'm up to 3 pieces of sextuple. So, getting there. Let's see, and then... first I'm up to 3 pieces of sextuple, 3 quintuples. So I need like 6 more quintuples. Not the greatest. It's slow, but I'm not actually in a huge hurry for it. I got a lot of other things to work on around here. Until I run out of iron, and then I'm in a huge hurry for it. But... so where is my recycler then? Not in here. Okay, so recycler. Power tier 1. Okay. Got some transformer upgrades for you. Say 4, just in case I decide to change this over to EV later. Extreme voltage. I don't want you blowing up on me. Can I just, like, wrench this? No, of course not. Okay, you're full of power. I just need to somehow supply you with junk items to do your thing with. Do I still have a... ew. I do have a material stonework factory still. But a matter beamer too. What was that for? Oh yeah, my quantum entangler porter that I never finished because I need to... these guys. Yeah. Let's put you here. You're just going to be making cobblestone. Now I need a couple of IC2 upgrades. Add and dust upgrade. I need an ejector upgrade. And I need a pulling upgrade. And now this guy here just needs power. So how can I safely get in here and do this? Oh, right there. Okay. So say conduit. Actually that should work. I pulled most of my conduiting out of here. Everything except for what's feeding the system here. But I ripped all this out. Oh, actually, speaking of which, let's... I didn't grab all the conduit. Now, do I have any overclocking hanging around? I do. I'm going to have to make some more of these. I'm not looking forward to that. That might be just like an episode all on its own. Okay, it's generating slightly more. You're on, so I'm assuming it's running. Oops. Okay, cool. Yep, it's working. It's not the fastest, but like I'm really in a sore spot for power right this second. Look at the switch. I still have my old steam generator down there too, which I may end up moving, but oh yeah, flick my switch. I'm now generating like 34,000, just under 34,000 a tick. So this guy takes 100 millibuckets. This is the RF Tools machine frame. It takes 26. Do I have a thermal machine frame? No, I don't. Can I just craft one of those? Iron ingot with a broken texture. That's lovely, but yeah, the answer to that is I can craft one of these. Oh, look, it's done. Crafting frame. Make a dice frame for me. Thank you. Put some of this stuff away I don't need. Like that. That'll work. Let's see. Tesla machine case. I am missing advanced alloy. Did I ever teach the system mixed? I did not teach the mixed. Okay. And it has to run through a compressor. Or for copper solenoids. Yeah. And I just burned through all that. But I'm up to 7 millibuckets of UU matter now. Ooh, 7. Great. You can go away for now. Let's hope I don't need any more thermal machines for now. But, let's see. You, come with me. Yep. Oh yeah, the config option is on, I found out, to, you don't need to wrench these things. You're going to need a metal former. Well, a couple of them, probably. No, I can't see behind there. I hate it when they do that. Come here. Now, we're still generating power. All right, we're good. I did finally get that emptied out. I'm not sure if I'm going to need these over there yet. The induction smelter. Probably should hook that up for redstone. But, yeah, I'm not that concerned about it right this second. I've got quite a bit of redstone. Also got more iron sitting here I've completely forgotten about. Well, iron essence anyway. And let's see, yeah, you're empty now. You can just do like that. So metal former, right? I need another one of these things. Take one of those. Can I make this? One. Oh no, damn it. Oh well. I've got that forge hammer sitting in there for a reason. That's so if I ever need to, I don't want to have to go set up my metal former again on a whim. Okay, so well, I taught those. Yep. Sweet. And I had enough of everything. That makes 2 metal formers. Makes another compressor. All right. What else am I going to need? 'Cause I need a metal former and pressing to make casings. I need one in extruding to make wires and steel shafts. I need the compressor to make uh, carbon plates and advanced alloy plates. Now, overclocker. That's made in a carpenter, right? With IC2 coolant, which that comes from the fluid solid counting machine. I can use IC2 distilled water, or I can use regular water and just more lapis. Tell you what, you getting turned off for now. I don't know if I'm going to bother automating overclockers or not. I don't think I'm going to be using a whole lot of IC2 machines, so it shouldn't be a huge issue. But let's go ahead and head over to here. And I think for now, bring power under. Yes. We're going to go compressor on the end. Metal former, metal former. You are extruding. You'll be in rolling mode. And I think universal cables will link straight up. I think. Yep. Or not. Okay. Wait, that's what I wanted on my hotbar. You can disconnect there, and it's still doing this derpy thing. I do have something I might be able to work with. I have a basic energy cube I was using for my ore processing. For now, you can just sit there, I guess. We'll do crystal binder. You to that. Thank you. Top is going to be input. Right, there it goes. And now I just need some crafters. Damn it. Give me something to eat. I might be able to get by with one crafter. More fanciness like I did with... that's not fancy, that's just 2 recipes. But down here... item casings... Like, what's tin used for? Batteries. Okay, and universal food cells... And tin cans, okay. And electrical motors, okay, which... Yeah, are used for the heat vents. Okay, so tin's necessary. Steel is steam turbine and both jetpacks. Lead is a containment box, basically. So that's 2. Iron. If I run through extruding mode, I can make iron fencing. I'm seeing a bunch of IC2 machines. I'm not probably going to need a whole lot of illuminators, which, yeah, I don't think I need any more of those made. Steam boiler. Let's see. ME drive and disk drives. Okay. I can make those by hand, so. Gold item casing. OD scanner. Okay, so I'm going to need gold. Copper. Copper boiler. Copper solenoids. Okay. Might need those more. And bronze for these guys, which can go to HP transformers, CESUs, backpacks, scanners, obscurator, basic power capacitors for these. I've noticed that these tend to be somewhat underpowered, so I'm probably not going to make an advanced generator for just the power production, direct power production, but all right. And then extruding mode. Let's look up metal former, right? I can just get uses for you. This is a cutting mode that turns plates into cable, which actually is probably the better option, maybe. 3, 3, and 3. Never mind, no, it's about the same. Okay. So cutting mode just turns plates into cables. Yeah, that's whatever. All right. Void metal plates. I could do that. I can do that in a pressurizer though too. So just the casings then. In extruding mode, cable, HV cable. I doubt we're gonna need. That's what, probably 3, 4 recipes. Yeah, no. This I'm just gonna set up with an export for mixed metal. Oh no, damn it. Because there's recipes for mixed metal ingots is the problem. And I don't need it in the middle of crafting to jerk it out of there. So it's looking like 3 crafters. So it shouldn't be a problem. Steam power's underneath, so I can run the crafters behind. Not a problem there. Cool. And then I just need to figure out. It's a problem using cables now, because I can't, like over here, one of the reasons underneath is I have the item conduit pumping into the conveyor belt, running in the same block as the energy conduit. Now, if I move these behind, I can run item conduits out this way, might be a bit of a problem. Can I... At Indust upgrade. Ejector upgrade automatically output to the first valid side. See, that's a problem I have now. Because they're side by side now. And also, I really lucked out by not having to put transformers in there. Alright, so can I make a mixed metal ingot here? Make 2 of them. Do you try shunting it next to you? No, you're fine. So if I grab, like, say, a conveyor belt. There we go. Which I'm going to need to make more of. So make like 20 of those, because I've been going through a lot of these. Thank God you can make them with plastic. All right, so... Like you. Okay, and it did... Problem is I have nowhere to stand up here. So if I do... No, okay, it'll rotate, but it won't do the thing I want. That won't do the thing I want either. Where did that thing end up at anyway? Like I saw it hit the end of the belt and it just kind of disappeared. One little mode of power there. Boom, boom. Okay, that'll work. The other problem I'm going to have is now I've got to do the same with kind of like these. But will they auto eject out the wrong way as well? Don't know. Ejector upgrade ×2. Isn't there like a smarter version? Fluid ejector advanced. Advanced has no damn recipe, as usual. Alright, you're in rolling mode, so can I get some, say, lead plates? 4, please. You don't have power either. None of this line's got power. Why not? It's because I'm an idiot and I never hooked it up. Okay. Well, at least we're gonna figure out, what happened right away. There you go. Now you shut power. Yep. Now you're working. Kinda. Always active. There it goes. Well, this does slow things down, but you got to make concessions for style, right? In we go. Great. Now can I get my lead? That is something I know I'm going to use a lot of, these lead item casings and whatnot. So, here we go. Now, are you going to pay attention if it's a valid item for that machine or not? Okay. Looks like kind of you do. All right. Can I get some copper now? They just like, give me a whole stack of copper. I don't think any of these 3 machines actually can use the products of any of the other 2. So, you okay there? And doesn't look like things are ending up where they're not supposed to be. You getting any copper cables? No. Alright, cool. Well, that will work then. I think that might be all the IC2 machines I really need. But just in case, this side right now is going to be RF. That side's going to be saved for EU. Downside is this kind of derpy conveyor belt thing, but it works. It's a concession for space is what it is. But let's take a look at this stuff in here now. Oh yeah, I think I ended up like last episode or earlier than that, needing to make some of these. And I was having issues getting them to work because guy had completely screwed up. Basically the conduiting. Yeah, these are all max speed now, so... And there it goes. And now it's making compressed diamond, so I can make more refined obsidian. In this one, to fill that, yep, there's the obsidian now. Copper cables flowing by. I'm liking this. This is kind of nice. I'm not sure if the conveyor belts have an actual, like, limit as to how much they can move. I wonder if I could, like, just shunt everything into one massive line going into an interface. Which, I don't know if it'd be a good idea or not. I mean, the interface can only hold so much. I do need to put something behind there to block that, though. I don't actually care how I can, or how I can see the floor there. Do these. May use more of this design block here, because these don't auto eject. These machines do. So conduits for that. Pour those up somehow. Let's try, say, factory block. Go. Facade. Really? Don't have any of those left, huh? Oh, that's right, because I repainted everything and used it all up. Actually, I had to make extras. So let's run around behind. See what that looks like from up front now. I kind of like it, actually. Alright, so my atomic should be done. Should give me a total of 18 of those. I think I only need like 16, really. And then 4 control circuits, which I had already made. And let's put some of this stuff away. And before I forget, head up to here. And oh, why only have? Oh, I have 8 of these. Oh, from doing the pipes. And before I shut you up, how you doing? Not so great on lava. That was my fear. What the hell is going on here? You have no power. I forgot to give you power. Oh. Damn it. That's the wrong one. That frame. Here we go. And also I noticed that thing's filling up with obsidian. I'm not sure I like that. Conduit. I can't see that taking more than... I've got all this energy conduit on me, don't I? Yep. Alright, power cell, because I need another card here. Go here. Not that. Link that. You can go there. Shove you in here. All sides out. Boom. You'll be getting power. Now, why are you getting... Oh. I see. Output configuration. Blue output. No. Right? You're not seeing that is what your problem is now? Okay, so how are we doing now? Now we're filling up faster when we're using it. Good. Well, I should hope so. I'm not actually using Steam. I think I decided to poke my head in here and check, though. Yeah, you don't like that conduit, do you? Really weird. Not really, but... yeah, export would be... Putting from... Empty blacklist. It should be... How about we just do... Obsidian as a whitelist? Nope, not pulling out. Okay, Alright, instead... Grab an interface. Toss you in there. There we go. Output configuration, yellow interface is good. All right. So it wants to go to an actual inventory, not the conduit for whatever reason. So that way, I guess I'll grab those. Sweet. So that's cleaned up. Farm. My little half chicken dinosaurs running around everywhere. And I do have one of these done. Downside, currently running off of wireless. So this guy I don't currently actually have doing anything. It's just sitting idle. This is my seed duplicating side. So, oh, crap, something I forgot about. Okay over here. I check you're getting kind of full on cakes. Yeah, look at that. Oh, the freaking cakes don't stack. Yeah, I heard you run up. I didn't see you though, dude. Where is my, there we go, inner pouch. Gonna pull some cakes out of here. Just to keep it from overflowing. Never know, might find an idea. I could use that for kekimuras. It's not a whole lot of cakes, or it's not very quickly anyway, but I mean, still, it's a decent amount of cakes, though. Yeah. Just all sorts of just different vanilla items, pretty much. 30 emeralds, 27 diamonds, 34 gas tiers. That's awesome right there. Intervals are okay. Blaze rods, meh. But the gas tiers, that's because otherwise I got to make gas essence or like Civ Soul Sand. Neither of which have really great returns. Let's see. Yeah, chorus plants, pumpkins. I've never actually grown any pumpkins, so we're doing good. Is there anything oddball for glistering melts? Glistering salad, ambrosia, exosuit stress sensor, chemical imbuer, botanical brewery. Yep, no, we're good there. This is still going over here, huh? Well, if this can get done sometime soon, can at least make an elite tier factory. Yeah. The farm does slow down quite a bit whenever I'm doing anything here. It's got to share power. Yes, I heard you, Wolf. Come on, I want a progress bar, damn it. So, one of these guys. And here it takes 2 million. 2 million. Wow. That's gonna take a while. Oh god. ADR per tick. Range plus minus 4 blocks. Yeah, they're pretty damn effective. I can't really like speed these things up, can I? Not really. Can I speed up the other one? And have it work faster now? Not particularly, no. It's just, that's it. These even kind of sound like dinosaurs. Yeah, cockatrice, not just like a rotten egg that hatches. It's more like a was it an egg laid by a rooster, hatched by a toad in a dung heap. May or may not be something about the moon in there too. Don't antagonize him, dude. Oh, cool, we're done. Oh, in the meantime, yeah, cockatrice myth is kind of thing, and it's supposed to be a lot smaller critter than that. Also, the breath is venomous, poisons everything around it, including the land. Lives in a barren wasteland because it kills everything. I got freaking hit by lightning here. So if I go through, I put these guys in here, and say I tell it I want an elite tier installer, right? I should be able to get what I want. Making plates now. Now, I thought about setting up more of these for like the mechanical components. Then I realized between the space and the headache, it was just, easier just to spend 2 extra iron or steel per mechanical component right now. If I had like a couple more blocks of space on this side, then it wouldn't be a problem, but I don't. Oh. And elite tier is done. And we'll grab a loot chest. Rustic chandeliers. Again. And I don't know if I need to like make any of these into a factory though. They'd be doing kind of good on their own. And since I'm not using for ore processing, I don't need to have like, multiple things smelting at once. I don't think I'm going to bother with that really. All right. So, and then next is the ultimate tier. Only works on bins, energy cubes, gas tanks, and tanks. Okay. Yep, it's raining. So I got 3 things left for mechanism. One of which is to make a frickin' fusion reactor. So that's going to be a little bit of time. 4 going, yeah. Rolling machine is actually one of the cheaper things to make, I think. Lathe. Use turn wood logs to plank more efficiently than by hand. Also mostly used in making a basic circuit. It's a crucial component for later. And that's it. 6 things. Cutting machine, saw blade assembly, motor, input, and outputs. But I may need a larger factory to do this with. I don't know. I mean, I just really, honestly, have no damn idea at this point. But I'm going to sit here and just plug some recipes in here, and I shall see everybody next time. Hope you're enjoying the series, and until then, signing out. Have fun.